Gaming is easily one of the most crowded spaces on YouTube, and also it is unarguably one of the easiest niche to actually blow up on YouTube. But actually the thing is this, every gamer actually has one problem they face, which is how to actually blow up on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to give you 6 actionable plans that can actually help you blow up your gaming channel in your next video. In recent times, running a gaming YouTube channel is just about you playing and recording yourself, right? Wrong, actually. It's not just about recording yourself and playing, but about creating a gaming content in which your audience will feel as though they are the ones playing the game. And this is actually one thing you need to note down. So guys, the first step in actually blowing up a gaming YouTube channel is copy successful gamers. Have you ever heard the popular saying, life is a game, so how do you win? That is the exact same way. YouTube is a game. So how do you win in the game of YouTube, especially when you're creating a gaming video on YouTube? It is so simple. Copy the map of those who have already won the game. And that is why you need to learn to copy successful creators and not the dumb ones out there. A whole lot of you know there are a whole lot of creators on YouTube that are in the gaming niche that are unsuccessful. But also there are a bunch of gamers that are so successful, like this guy. Now, I'll be 1000% honest with you. I actually do not know who this guy is. I just came across his videos a few months ago when he talked about how he blew up a gaming YouTube channel with just one video. And I had to learn his method. And honestly, it was a pretty smart move. This guy created a YouTube channel called Going Indie. And after uploading their first video after 4 days, they instantly went viral. They had to answer 3 basic questions. What kind of videos would they be creating? Why are they creating these videos, and who these videos were for? Let's see how they did it.
Yeah, building a game is hard, but like any product company, it's kind of only the first step. Everyone dreams about this great product they'll create, but they don't really think about all of the nuances once it's made. Right? Selling, marketing, taxes. But the hardest part about building a business isn't necessarily the product or the game, right? It's the stuff that comes after that's really hard.
We talked a lot about what kind of videos we wanted to create, why we're creating these videos, and who they were for.
Creating a viral YouTube video is hard, honestly, but the problem is not actually creating the viral video. The problem is actually what comes after creating the viral video, which is continuity. And how many of you are really willing to continue after creating one viral video? Look, it is popularly said, if you want to be successful, you must copy successful people. And if you want to be a successful gamer, you must copy successful gamers. And also, if you want to be a successful YouTube gamer, then, my friend, you must copy successful YouTube gamers. I mean, there are a whole bunch of channels out there that failed in the gaming niche. Go look up these channels and find why they actually failed. A whole lot of them failed because they were going through the mediocre and the random route, which is just record yourself playing the game, make some nasty comments in a Minecraft game and upload on YouTube. Like, come on, we've seen this countless times and we are tired. What is the new innovation? What is next to be created? What kind of style of editing can be created out from a video game niche? What kind of content can be there in the niche of video games? I mean, think of something. The more creative your brain can be, the more money you make. And the second key to creating a viral YouTube channel is never show your face. The most successful YouTube channels in the gaming niche are those who actually do not show their faces. I mean, check around. People actually love channels in which their faces are not just being shown. That is the exact same reason I decided not to show my face for this exact same video. Although if you check my channel and other videos, you're going to see my face just in case you're curious, but that's just it. Recording a gaming YouTube video without showing your face is actually way easier than you think. The only problem is when you speak, don't just speak like you have a gun pointed to your head. All you need to do is get the mic plugged into your system and just speak. I mean, just record. I'm never going to suggest for you to get an AI voice because it actually doesn't do the job, but speaking yourself does the job better. And just in case you do not have up to $300 to get the Shure SMBC7 whatever, I don't know what that mic is called, but just in case you don't actually have enough money to get the mic, just record with your phone. It's perfectly fine. I'm currently recording on an iPhone 11 mini and it does the job for me. And ladies and gentlemen, the third key is learn to always compare indie games to AAA games. Now, in the world of a gamer, these are actually the 2 greatest competitors when it comes to gaming. Some of the most popular indie games are Minecraft, Celeste, Hyper Light Drifter, and Stardew Valley. And some of the most popular AAA games are The Last of Us, Grand Theft Auto, The Elder Scrolls, Red Dead Redemption 2 and God of War. While making videos, always do the best comparison. People want to know why Grand Theft Auto is actually better than Minecraft, or why Minecraft is actually more famous than God of War. People want the comparisons. I don't know, think of something. Give people a reason why they should want to play God of War instead of Grand Theft Auto or The Last of Us. People want competitive reasons that would make them watch your videos, and these are the only ways you can do it. And then the fourth key is very simple. Pay a high-value thumbnail designer. Look, I don't need to make another video explaining why having your thumbnails and titles are the best things you can ever do for your YouTube video, because I have seen videos that are terrible, yet because they have a good thumbnail, the videos get clicks. But at the end of the day, you could edit, script, do a great voiceovers and everything for your gaming video. Once you have a terrible thumbnail and title, my friend, your videos are not going to get clicks. The reason you created the videos are to get clicks, and if you do not have a good thumbnail designer, it doesn't get the click. Take a look at this thumbnail. It is so simple, but yet it has 2 million views and was uploaded about a year ago. What makes this thumbnail special? It just compares two pictures, trying to prove why indie games are actually better than AAA games. What do we have in the thumbnail? Two pictures, two contrasts, a thumbs up and a thumbs down, and there you have it. Look, sometimes less is more. And maybe just in case you want to add some text to your thumbnails, it could also do the job, like this one. This video is titled The Wildest Row in League and Dota, and I mean, the thumbnail is just so simple. Having some text, and this text explain everything, that the moment you read them, you feel, this video was made for me. And the fifth key is very simple. Play multiple games, because it's actually better than one. Now, you have one niche, absolutely, which is gaming. But if you always play Minecraft or only talk about Minecraft, then what will happen to the fans of Grand Theft? What will happen to the fans of God of War? What would happen to the fans of League of Legends? The reason you are a great YouTuber is because you know how to compile different topics of different games into one YouTube channel and make a great video. Picking a niche is one of the best things you can do for your YouTube channel. And as for you, my friend, you have decided to go into the gaming niche. While going into the gaming niche, make sure you don't make some boring videos talking about just one game in every video. At some point, people are just going to get tired of watching and just never watch your videos again. And then the final key is make use of the power of AI. I mean, in the day and age we live in, everything is pretty simplified with just $15. I don't know, you could get access to some AI websites that can create the best videos that you can use for your video editing. No one really needs to see the boring video editing that was still kind of used back in the 90s, and I mean, you know what I mean. You need to understand something. For a person to actually come to view your gaming channel, it means that person actually has some level of entertainment in their head. Whoever has entertainment in his head needs to be entertained by your videos. And if your videos are not entertaining with the editing, it doesn't take you far. So make sure you use the power of AI. And once you're able to skyrocket your videos, then you can like mine.